Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Webull on your iPad. Webull is a popular trading app that allows you to buy and sell stocks, options, and other financial instruments. To get started, first download the Webull app from the App Store and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you have the app installed, open it and log into your account. You will see a dashboard that displays your account balance, portfolio, and market news. The dashboard is customizable, so you can add or remove widgets to suit your needs. To start trading, tap on the Trade button at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the trading interface, where you can search for stocks, options, or other financial instruments. You can also browse through the various markets, such as the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq. When you find a stock or option you want to trade, tap on it to view its details. You will see a chart of the stock's price history, as well as other relevant information such as its current price, volume, and market capitalization. To place a trade, tap on the Buy or Sell button. Depending on whether you want to purchase or sell the stock, you will then be prompted to enter the number of shares you want to trade and the price at which you want to trade them. You can also set stop loss and take profit orders to limit your potential losses and lock in profits. In addition to trading, Webull also offers a range of analytical tools to help you make informed investment decisions. These include technical indicators, such as moving averages and relative strength index, as well as fundamental data, such as earnings reports and economic news. To access these tools, tap on the Chart button at the top of the screen. This will take you to a detailed chart of the stock's price history, where you can apply various technical indicators and overlays. You can also tap on the News button to view the latest news and headlines related to the stock. Finally, Webull also offers a range of account management features, such as depositing and withdrawing funds, and viewing your account history. To access these features, tap on the Account button at the top of the screen. In conclusion, using Webull on your iPad is a straightforward process that allows you to trade stocks, options, and other financial instruments with ease. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start trading with confidence and take advantage of the many features and tools that Webull has to offer.